Hey, Coach Derek here from Kikfit Training, and today I want to teach you how to stay motivated for your workouts. So the first thing you do is set a goal, whether that goal is for your wedding coming up, a reunion, a vacation, or something like this, losing 10 pounds, gaining 10 pounds, whatever it may be. But then how do you stay on track for the 3 to 6 months or a year to reach that goal? It is the inspiration that leads to the perspiration. So here's my tips on how to do that. First, you want to make an itemized list of past successes, whether it's in sports, fitness, life, or business, where you were successful at the highest level. Then you want to make a list of emotions that you want to become more of, with the words I am before it. And so it is, for example, I am passionate, I am driven, I am motivated, I am unstoppable, I am the person that I want to become. And so when you marry those two things together, the experiences with the emotions, you create a bridge of success that you will cross over into reaching your destination or your destiny of that particular goal. But reaching the goal is not the point. It's who you become in the process of reaching that goal. Becoming a better human being, intellectually, emotionally, spiritually, and physically, so that you may serve those around you better, be a better person at home, at business, in your community. And that is a powerful gift that you will continue to portray in your life, because now it has become a habit. It's become who you are. And remember that once you believe that that's your core identity, your body will never ever turn your mind into a liar. So you'll continue to do that as a part of your conditioning process every single day, as a part of your lifestyle. And so this is the secret sauce on how to be healthy for the remainder of your life, by creating a pattern, a muscle memory that is connected by strong emotions that subconsciously will drive you every single morning on those cold mornings when you don't want to get up, to get into that gym, because this is where you fill your cup. This is where you fuel yourself and your soul so that you will have success every single day as you strive on becoming your own gym. This is Coach Derek from Kikfit Training, and that is my tip of the day.